Here's a plush Wagoneer L that offers 3 rows of extra spacious seating, a suite of standard luxury amenities, brawny towing ability, generous cargo room, sought-after infotainment and connectivity, high safety scores, and a silky smooth ride. Start making family road trip memories in this supersized, highly capable vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free